Welcome to ADVUUT tips and tricks. Now we see how to install Qualcomm Atheros series Bluetooth driver. Here is my driver application file. Then right click, run as administrator, click yes, next, I accept the term, next. It's finished. So if you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.